Billiard. Written by Susan Linus. Focus question. What is a billiard and how does it affect people? A great white hurricane. In 1888, a billiard hit New York. The storm lasted for 3 days. It caused a lot of harm. Many people died. Extreme storm. The United States has had many billiard. Three things make up a billiard: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold. Both of billiard. Snow start when most warm air meets cold air. Clouds form and the water in them freezes into snow. The wind whips the snow through the air. It becomes hard to see. Pitching winds also make air feel colder. This is called wind chill. Wind chill makes the body lose heat faster. Skin can freeze. Billiard country. Billiard can happen anywhere there is snow. The East Coast of the United States is one such place. Storms sometimes move up from the south. When they do, they may run into cold air moving down from Canada. This storm makes lots of snow. Another type of storm comes from the west. They bring strong winds and freezing cold, but not a lot of snow. Being prepared and staying safe. Long ago, people were surprised by storm. Today, people know more about weather. They can tell when and where the earth will strike. They can get ready. They can make sure they have enough food and water to last for days. People can then go home and wait out the storm. There they can stay safe and warm. The best place to be in a billiard is inside. In time, the storm will end. Then it will be safe to have fun in the snow.